Hey there, money sending pros. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down international transfers to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send money from Canada to the EU in 2025. Whether you're helping family in France, paying for a vacation in Spain, or investing in Germany, I'll walk you through the simplest and most efficient ways to get your funds across the pond. Let's dive right in. First off, 2025 brings some exciting changes with new EU regulations and digital payment options, like the potential rollout of the digital euro. This means faster transfers and better security, but you still need to choose the right method. The most popular options from Canada include services like Wise, Revolut, and traditional banks like RBC or TD. Why these? They offer competitive exchange rates and low fees, which can save you a bundle compared to older methods. Let me break it down step by step. Start by comparing services. Check current exchange rates and fees on their websites. For example, with Wise, sign up for a free account, link your Canadian bank account, and enter the recipient's EU bank details. It's super straightforward. Select the amount, choose your currency, like CAD to EUR, and confirm the transfer. Most services process this in minutes to a few days, depending on the method. Now, a few tips for 2025. Always watch out for fees. Some banks charge hidden costs, so opt for transparent services. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider economic factors like fluctuating exchange rates. Tools like Z or Google Finance can help you time your transfer. Also, ensure compliance with EU rules, such as anti-money laundering checks, to avoid delays. And remember, for security, use two-factor authentication and verified platforms. Wrapping this up, sending money from Canada to the EU in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools, you can do it quickly and affordably. If you have questions or want more details, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.